Okay, dumbbell split squats, but we're going to focus on elevating this front foot and getting more work in that quad. So from there, Claire's just going to take one step back, and as you can see, our positioning is very similar to the split squats that we've done before. Now, this pad itself, we've just bought off of Amazon for roughly about a tenner, opposed to using a little plate. Now she drops down, what you can see is by using this pad, what we're getting is we're getting a lot more knee bend, but at the same time, we're still getting a lot of work in that hip. Come back up. As she does it, nice and tight in those shoulder blades, tummy tight so she's not tipping forward or backwards. Drop back down. From this position, what she's going to do is focus on driving everything from her heel, initiating that quad, but at the same time, I would still get a little bit of tension in those glutes as well. Back up. Common faults on this one, drop back down, could simply be that when people fatigue, they just fall forward and they lose tension in that scapula. But at the same time, as you can see Clara doing it, nice and tight, come back up. One thing as well to remember is that this here is just for stability. We're not focused on pushing up from here. If she pushes up from here, she's actually going to get a lot of tension in the opposite quad, which isn't going to help when she goes to work the opposite leg. So there you have it, dumbbell, front foot heel elevated split squats.